We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include Tailwind CSS via CDN to handle utility styling quickly without needing a separate CSS file. We set the stage here. Overflow, hidden, is crucial because we don't want scroll bars appearing when enemies fly off the screen edges. We also set a deep black background. To create depth, we use a fixed background container. The radial gradient adds a subtle blue glow at the bottom, making it look like a distant nebula or atmosphere. Here is the trick for the star field. Instead of images, we use CSS gradients to draw tiny white dots. We create multiple layers moving at different speeds, 120s, etc., to create a 3D parallax effect. These are the faster moving layers closer to the camera. Layer 3 moves the fastest, 50s duration, enhancing the feeling of speed. This animation continuously moves the background layers downward, simulating the ship flying forward through space. We define our game objects. Position, absolute, allows us to control X, Y coordinates via JS. We use drop shadow to give the ship and bullets a cool neon glow effect. A small animation to make the bullets pulse, making them feel like volatile energy projectiles. The HTML structure is minimal. We have our background layers, a fixed score display, and the player ship element. Now for the logic. We set up the canvas dimensions, W, H, and physics variables. Accel and friction give the ship movement a smooth, drifting feel. We track keyboard input using a keys object. This allows us to handle multiple key presses at once, like moving diagonally while shooting. We set the ship's initial vertical position. This handles firing. We use a timestamp check, time last shot 250, to enforce a firing rate limit, preventing the player from spamming bullets. Every 900 milliseconds, we spawn an enemy at a random X position just above the visible screen, Y equals -40, and give it a random speed. This is our collision detector. It checks if the square bounding box of object A overlaps with object B. Inside the game loop, we apply physics. We update velocity based on input, clamp it to max_speed, apply friction, and then move the ship. We also rotate the ship slightly for visual flair. We update all bullets, moving them up. If they go off screen, we remove them from the DOM and filter them out of the array. We move enemies down. If an enemy hits the ship, we alert the score and reload the page. If it goes off the bottom, we just remove it. Finally, we check bullet enemy collisions. If a hit occurs, we remove both and increase the score. We use request animation frame to keep the loop running smoothly.